Hey everybody, it's Cliff here. Thanks for stopping by. And as many of you know, I was just recently out in Tokyo and I got to go to Tokyo Disneyland and Disney Seas out there. And wow, let me tell you that, I have to call the people that own and operate those two parks out there, in my mind, they are Disney geniuses. I mean, wow, they really know how to do Disney right. The way everything is presented and the way everything is maintained, everything is so pristine out there. What they choose to have in their parks is just, it's awesome. I mean, you look at just Splash Mountain alone, it literally looked brand spanking new out there. Love the experience. And to be totally honest with you, I've been going to California and Florida my whole life. I know the US parks like the back of my hand. I've been there hundreds of times. Honestly, without a doubt, and I haven't been into China and I haven't been to Paris or Hong Kong, so I can't speak for those, but without a doubt, Tokyo, Disneyland, and Disney Seas are by far the two best Disney parks I have ever been to. It's not even close. It's not even close. Sorry. It's the way I see it. Wow. Really, really spectacular. There are two nighttime spectaculars out there. One in Disney Seas and Reach for the Stars, which is in Tokyo Disneyland. And so I filmed them both. And what you're going to see now is Reach for the Stars from Tokyo Disneyland. It's a projection show on the castle of fireworks. It's not fireworks heavy. You're not going to see big booming, high altitude explosion fireworks, but you do see a lot of rockets and flares, and you see great fog effects and huge pyro directly in front of the castle. Also, the projection quality on the castle surface is absolutely really, really excellent. I mean, it's very, very bright. It's very, very saturated, super high contrast. They have developed a way of projecting onto their castle that I have not seen anywhere else in any park yet. We'll talk about that when we do our live premiere. But excellent show, really, really fantastic show. It was produced in 8K, recorded in deep space audio. So turn your headphones up, your speakers up, and really crank it. This is a sort of a little preview to whet your appetite. I have to do some international travel soon, so it's not done, not finished yet, but it's in production. It's about 90% done. So here is a little bit of a teaser to whet your appetite. I'll in the description I will put the date of the live premiere, and we can talk about Tokyo Disneyland, the show. We can talk about the state of the company and other areas because there's a lot to talk about there as well. But let me know what you think of this in the comments down below. And this is a little tiny piece of Reach for the Stars in Tokyo Disneyland. Let me know what you think. Talk to you guys soon.